dear students. Now today I'm going to start off with the first chapter of section C, statistics. As you can see, it's median, decile, percentile. In the last class I explained median, and so once you understand median, in a similar way you have to calculate the decile as well as the percentile. So just a revision for you all, first I'm going to explain median to you all, then you'll be able to understand decile and percentile very easily. So I'm going to explain median using an example. Find the median of the following frequency distribution. The class interval is given CI. The class interval is given. The class interval is 0 to 10, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. The frequency is given. The frequency is given as 8, 20, 36, 36, 24, and 12. So only these two will be given. So let us start how to calculate the median. In class 10, you learned how to calculate median using a very important method that was using a graph paper, and that was called ogive. We rarely use the formula, but in class 11, since we need to calculate the decile and the percentile, we are going to use the formula. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to find the cumulative frequency. What is cumulative frequency? Give it a thought. In class 10, you were taught this particular term, cumulative frequency. Cumulative means to add the frequencies. So 8 as it is, 20 plus 8 becomes 28, 28 plus 36 is 3, 5, 64, 64, 64 plus 24 is how much? 6, 7, 8, 4, 4, 88, and finally 88 plus 12, 98 is 100. So this is capital N, that is summation frequency, summation F equal to 100. Is that clear? Next, what we need to do is, now the next step is very important for you all, because that will decide the median class, the decile class, or the percentile class. The formulas I already told you are more or less same, the methods are also exactly the same. So let us start with median first. So in order to calculate the median, first I need the median class. So median class is going to be n by 2. It's going to be n by 2. So what is n? N is 100. So 100 by 2 equal to 50. Now locate 50 in the column containing the cumulative frequency. So where does 50 lie? 50 lies between 28 and 64. In a similar way, you have to locate decile class and percentile class in a similar way. It's just that, let me tell you, for median class, it's n by 2. Okay. For decile, it's going to be Rn by 10. That means whatever class you are finding. 7th class, so 7n by 10. For percentile class, it's going to be n by 100. So median n by 2, decile n by 10, and for percentile n by 100. Is that clear? Okay. Now 50 is between 28 and 64. So we take the greater one, that is 64. So this becomes the median class. This becomes the median class. So let me write down the formula. So median equal to L means the lower limit of the median class, that is 20, plus n by 2 minus CF, that means cumulative frequency of the preceding the median class, that is frequency of the median class into the class length. So L, what is L? L is the lower limit of the median class. What is that? 20 plus n is 100 by 2 minus CF above the median class, that is 28 divided by frequency of the median class, that is 36 into the class length is 10. So this is how you calculate the median. So this will give you how much? 50. 50 minus 28 is 22 divided by 36 into 10. 22 divided by 36 into 10. Now, what do I get when you cancel this? 20 plus 2 5s are, 2 1s are, 2 8s are. So again 2 9s are, 2 11. So you get 55 divided by 9. You get 55 divided by 9. So 20 plus, when you divide 55 divided by 9, you get 6.11. So the answer is 26.11. So this is how you calculate the median class. So once again, how do you calculate the decile class? This is going to be Rn by 10. How do you calculate the percentile class? This is going to be Rn by 100. So whatever you get, the formula will remain the same. So this is how you calculate the median. So I hope you have understood this. So again I am telling you, you will get one question for 4 marks to either calculate median or decile or the percentile. So moving on, let me explain the decile to you. So this chapter is from section C. The first, just go to the content, you will see median, quartile, decile and percentile. Is that clear? So let me solve one question on decile. So the class interval is 65 to 70, 70 to 75, 75 to 80, 80 to 85, 85 to 90, 90 to 95, 95 to 100. This will make everything clear. 100 to 105 and 105 to 110. So this is the class interval and the frequency is 10, 25, 30, 35, 40, 25, 20, 10 and 5. The question is, calculate, I'll just read out the question. Find the 6, 7, 9 decile for the following group frequency distribution. So let us calculate the 6th decile and the 9th decile, D6 and D9. Is that clear? So how do we find the 6th and the 9th decile? As I have already told you, it's just a part of the median. So you find out the cumulative frequency. What does cumulative frequency mean? You just need to add the frequencies. So 10 plus 25 is 35, 65, 100, 140, then you get 165, 165 plus 20 is 185, 185 plus 10 is 195, and finally you get 200, 195 plus 5 equal to 200, that is capital N. Now remember what I told you, if you have to find the decile, the formula is Rn by 10. This is the decile class. So the first thing I need to find is the 6th decile. Is that clear? Okay. Now let me calculate D6. So this R becomes 6. 6n by 100. So this becomes 6 into, how much is n? 200 divided by 100. So what do you get? So sorry, this is 10, not percentile. So 0 and 0 gets cancelled. So 120. 120 is the decile class of the 6th decile. Now, what was the formula? So first, this is 120. Locate this in the cumulative frequency. So 120, where does 120 lie? It lies between 100 and 140. So take the greater one. That means this will be the decile class. That means the answer has to be between 85 and 90. So D6, what is the formula? L6, lower limit of the decile class, plus 6n by 10. Why 6n? Because we are finding the 6th decile class. If this was 9, then 9n by 10. You locate this, then you proceed. Minus cumulative frequency just above the decile class divided by frequency into the class length. So what is the lower limit of the 6th decile? It's 85 plus 6n by 10. You already got 120 minus cumulative frequency just above that. That's 100 divided by the frequency of the decile, 6th decile class, 40 into the class length is how much? 5. Sorry, the class length is 5. So what do you get? 85 plus, this is 20 divided by 40 into 5, 0 and 0, 2 and 2. So you get 85 plus 5 by 2. So this is 85 plus 2.5. So the answer is 87.5. The answer is 87.5. 5. So this is how you calculate the decile. So I want you all to try the 9th decile at home. 9th decile at home, and next class I'm going to explain the percentile to you. So before I end, please try to understand that median, decile and percentile are to be calculated in a similar fashion. For median, the formula is n by 2 will give you the median class. Decile is Rn by 10 will give you the decile class, and for percentile, Rn by 100 will give you the percentile class. One problem might arise if you get an odd number. If you get an odd number, then what to do? Make it even. And how do you make it even? N plus 1. 99, so 99 plus 1 divided by 10. If you have to find the percentile, 199, then 199 plus 1 divided by 100. That becomes 200 by 100. Is that clear? Thank you so much.